Hey, so I want to talk to you a little bit about the arm bend in the snatch pull, okay? If you're getting the arm bend prematurely in the snatch pull, if your arms are bent on the way up, it will certainly slow that bar down and you will not be able to extend and finish and move as fast as you need to and want to get underneath that bar. So you really need to focus on a couple of things when performing that snatch, okay? So we're gonna do the high hang drill also with the snatches, okay? So you want to practice keeping those arms long and exploding up and then locking out nice and tight overhead. Now, if you are bending your arms too soon, you're not gonna be able to move and punch like you need to do in the top overhead position. All right, so with this high hang snatch, you're gonna rotate those elbows out. Keep that back nice and tight. Elbows rotated out, your wrists are curled. It's gotta be close to you, okay? Same thing, you're gonna just bend at the waist just a little bit. You're gonna explode straight up and then punch nice and tight underneath it, okay? Looks something like this. You're using your legs, jumping up through your heels. Turn those elbows out. Nice and tight. Keeping that close, high elbow position. One more time. Okay. Again, I'm going to show you a different angle over here so you can see the whole position, but really focusing on turning those elbows out, keeping everything nice and tight, exploding through the finish. Those elbows go high only at the point where you're ready to push underneath it. Don't bend your elbows until you're ready to get underneath it. All right, so my shoulder blades are nice and tight. My elbows are turned out. My wrists are curled. I'm gonna bend my knees a little bit and bend just a little bit at the waist. From this position, explode up. Catch it nice and tight. Remember, locking out nice and tight, squeezing those shoulder blades when you get it overhead. Really focusing on long arms all the way through your finish. Once again, keeping those elbows turned out, keeping those wrists curled, exploding through the finish. Do not let your arms bend. Do not let them bend at all at any point until you are ready to get underneath it. Explode, finish, then they bend only to get underneath it. Finish, bend. Finish, bend. Good luck.